With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, in this question construct a quadrilateral ABCD and these are the given informations. BC 7.5, AC 5.8, AD this and CD this, and angle A is 120 degree. So first of all, always draw a rough diagram. So by the rough diagram you will have an idea which line segment we should draw first and where is which angle. So randomly draw any quadrilateral and let us name it as ABCD. Just write all the given information here. BC is 7.5 centimeter. AC means diagonal is given. AC is 5.8. AD 3.6. CD, this upper one, is 4.2 and angle A is 120. So it's quite clear from the rough diagram that we should draw AD first. As by this AD, we know the dimension of angle A. We know angle A, so we can draw this angle. Okay. After that, we know this line segment, DC and AC. So we can mark the arcs, we can cut it, we can find the point C. Okay. So first of all, let us draw line segment AD, which is 3.6. So take the scale and draw a line segment 3.6 and name it as AD. Dimensions also, let us write 3.6 centimeter. Then angle A is 120 degree. So how can we draw? So take any convenient distance in the compass and make an arc. Now with the same distance, put your compass here. So first we will put compass at this point, secondly at this point, and mark an arc with the same distance. Don't change the distance of the compass. And thirdly, you will put your compass point here and again mark an arc. So this will be the fourth arc will give you 120 degree angle. Now draw this line segment. Length, yes, from A, angle A 120 degree. So draw this line segment like this. You know DC is 4.2. So put your compass on D. We will put the compass on D and mark an arc of length 4.2 centimeter. Just mark anywhere 4.2 centimeter we will take it. For your better understanding, I have written the steps also. Draw AD 3.6 centimeter. Then angle A 120 degree. Okay. Then after that, D point we know, and from D to C it is 4.2. So from D mark an arc of 4.2. And from this point A, we know AC is 5.8. So take a distance of 5.8 in compass and mark an arc. So previous arc we can produce and we get the point of intersection. And yes, point of intersection will be from D and A, point of intersection is C. From the rough diagram, you can have an idea. Now join this C to D. Okay, so in this way we got three sides of the quadrilateral. AC you can draw to show the given dimension. Not necessary, it is not very much required. This is 5.8 and CD is 4.2. Further, what left? Here A, D, C, B point is left, but C is known. Now you know C point, so you can put your compass. Okay. It's very important to find the point actually. As you can observe here, you have drawn an angle of A 120 degree, but here you don't know where is the end point of this line. Okay. So now from C you can observe that from C this is 7.5. Okay. So take a distance of 7.5 in your compass and make an arc from C. In this way, it will cut your line of 120 degree and the point of intersection will be the required point B. Now you can join B to C we can join. So in the third step, from C mark an arc of 7.5 centimeter. Your rough diagram will be very helpful will guide you nicely. So this is the required quadrilateral. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.